Can you explain
it? Can you explain the joke? I don't get it. Okay, so
I don't know.
in Killer Queen Black, there's the score system, and the way it works basically is that
I don't know anything about their econs. Let's just hopefully get Helix.
Goose is good. Sneck is good. Andres is they're all good. Probably, I feel like the weakest link is that Microwave is not as good of a queen as Pavan, probably.
Okay, this is
so like
map rotation. Because Pavan, I mean, Microwave's queen is like sus sometimes, so
yeah,
we'll just see where we catch him.
Alright.
Alright, I'm going under their mace to their sword.
Yep.
And then wrapping to that.
Watch Microwave, watch the mill.
You're right.
You got this. You got this. Beautiful. Gorgeous. Come up here. I think we're... You wanna get up? Okay, we're two up.
Hold right, Froggy, get back to the right gate, I'm coming down. Oh, they took it.
Left, real quick.
Yep, beautiful. Nice.
Okay.
We're 3. So are they, though.
No! I thought I had that.
Well, we're... Okay. Oh.
Yeah, what?
I just checked.
Okay. Just play safe, play safe. Play safe. It's okay. Kill. Beautiful. Okay. It's okay. Got one up at mid now. Left gate.
Really?
It's okay. Good.
Just keep holding it. Snail, yeah.
Nah, yeah.
I mean, they just outplayed us in every regard.
Yeah. This is my problem. I can't play long. I play really well, and then I just stop. I need I'm just actually gonna chug this coffee.
I don't think they're a better team. Like, we just need to play better.
Yeah.
We got this.
Okay, nice.
Bumping on right gate. Oh, they're gonna get one up. They're up one on right. We got none. Oh, Shadow, we got one. You wanna drop down, take left gate right here. Watch Queen, he's right there. Okay, it's okay, he's traded.
I'm on last now.
Was there anything risky?
Yeah. Just take it slow.
I'm up for 2. Try to go get our gate.
Don't be risky, Okay. Get out, yeah, get out.
I'm in the tunnel. Getting out of the tunnel.
Okay, you're out. Okay.
Cool, Loogie's up.
I'm up.
Awesome. We got the snail. Good.
Okay.
Have mid. Temporarily, though.
You get up on mid, okay?
Alright, good. We have
Nice. Hold it up. Left gate, right now.
Going left. Gotcha.
It's safe. Okay, just watch the wrap.
Get out, just get out.
Okay. Get out. You don't need it. We'll hold the gate. Okay, they got a speed sword up. Watch the speed sword. Play safe. Okay, I got the speed sword. Beautiful. Should have had microwave there. Take it. Okay, we got one up. Pulling it back.
Oh.
I'm down. Hold. You're last up. Play safe.
Good job.
Watch out.
Okay, get out of there.
Yeah. We got this now. Okay.
Snail. I went down, but I had to. We had to get the snail.
Okay, nice! Someone push Snail back right now.
Are we safe? We're good? No risky moves?
They're wiped.
Good. Alright.
They got the snail pressure. They got the snail pressure. Queen's under. I'm watching gates. I'm down. I'm down.
They just have one out.
Up. Go snail. Go snail. We need to pull it back. Watch goose. Nice. Okay, I'm down. I'm gonna throw a bear to you. It's okay. That was getting hairy.
I thought it was above and not below.
Rap's tough. Rap's tough.
I was going for him. I almost had him.
I don't like that map. Okay.
Alright.
It's been a while since we've had a nice helix. Alright, let's everyone ping snail. Okay.
Love it. Standard open.
They are not bad at berries though, so. Beautiful. They're doing a little bit worse than us right now. Two left.
They got two.
One left.
Done.
We're done.
Okay. Thank you for the confetti too.
You're welcome. Amazing. This map's like a
Yeah.
godsend for us.
It's like
Win every time.
if this game, if every map was helix.
People would quit.
Okay.
Alright.
I'm gonna try opening center berries.
I'm not gonna wrap.
So I'm not going to a gate at the start, so you don't have to.
Alright, you threw a berry into ours?
Okay. I'm gonna try to get that berry if no one.
Yeah, shield sword. Fuck. Sorry. Shield sword coming
It's
up
okay.
right now.
It's okay.
Our bottoms are done. We're crushing
Good
it.
job.
Okay. They have two berries in entirely. I need help getting up. I'm trying to go speed right now. It looks weird, but like I think it'll pay off. Okay, did I'm speed sword right now.
Okay, you need to at least lure or clear Andres because
Yes.
I need to mess. We need.
Okay, how does that work?
Fucking dead.
I like that part. Now the queen's here.
Alright, so
They're
guys.
one out.
They're one out.
How about that?
We're
How
one
about
out.
that?
Throw one out. Watch out! Watch out!
He jumped on me.
How's that?
Good job.
Get that berry out. Okay.
Good job. Good job.
You want me to just kill the queen 3 times, or you want to just wait while I win, or you want to get the berry in? It's your call. Okay.
What map? Okay.
That's okay. This is like the most even map imaginable.
Alright, I'm going under. But this time I'm gonna kill their
Let's
fucking.
all get up.
Be careful. Play an open. That's gonna get us at least 1 up, right? That's the idea. Beautiful. Beautiful. Clean open them up.
I'm not.
Right gate is totally open.
He's fucking dead.
They're wiped.
Oh, they're crying right now.
Okay, I'm holding center. I'm holding center.
Yeah, I'm gonna go elsewhere.
Locking. I'm trying to lock out. Watch the gun.
Oh, that was good.
Go dead.
All right, try to help me get back up. I need someone to hold a gate.
I'm holding every gate. I'm holding
Great
literally
news.
all of them.
Great news! I
Nice,
didn't need
he's on
anyone.
last.
Oh my god.
Let's fucking end this shit!
Fuck yes!
Alright, you guys made the playoffs.
Yeah, bro!
Okay. That's it. That's it. Nothing could go wrong now. We win. Doesn't even fucking matter.
Dude, I suck.